when I thought about how much do I want to try and raise, the first thing that came to mind is like 5,000, and that's probably going to be a stretch. Like, I would be so happy if I could raise 5,000. So having that number in my head, I signed up to raise 10,000, and I'm like, I think we can do it. Like 5,000 seemed like a stretch, but we can probably do 10,000. So those of you that know me know I'm optimistic a lot of times. Well, all the time. Okay, you caught me. Always optimistic. Anyway, 10,000 seemed really far out there, which is exactly why I set that for my goal. No way! Yes!
10,150.
Oh, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. That is so cool. So for years, I've known sex trafficking was a problem, and I felt called to do something about it. Man and I have talked a lot about, man, I want to do something about this. We want to do something about this. But we've never really taken action, right? It's been one of those things we know is out there. We want to do something. We know it's a big issue, but it's kind of hard to pull the trigger and even to know what to do. It's been on Amanda and my hearts for a really long time, probably since we started having kids and realizing how vulnerable they are and just what a big issue sex trafficking is, and trafficking in general. And Amanda and I, we really do feel passionately about this and called to do something. This is the start. Like, I plan on fully pursuing some way of making a difference, whatever I can do. And I'm joining the fight, and I encourage all of you to do the same. If you can make a difference, if I can make a difference, if I can do this and make a difference in the life of one child, everything is worth it. It doesn't end here. I don't want this to be, my big thing that I did, and I don't want it to be about me at all. And I don't want it to be like, I did this, I'm good, now I can live happily and naively and not worry about trying to do anything more. No, it's nothing like that. Like, I want to commit the rest of my life to making a difference, and I hope this is just the beginning. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And let's go change the world.
Go, go, go. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What a monster.
Last drive.
He's crushing. He's doing like 3 miles an hour pulling this thing after 10 miles. Woo!
Oh, dude.
Congratulations, brother.
Nice.